Hello my friend, welcome to XAUUSD.com. So welcome to the video. So this video is just a quick update on the Kiwi USD trade we placed the other day on using the FX Master Pro indicator. So you can see where we got in the way down here, the buy order, and our target's up here. It's been flowing nicely up towards our target. Safe, huge bullish run on Friday. We had the divergence also after this test of this weekly area. See, we've got our stop loss here. Test this weekly area here up towards this daily. You can see I've got my first easy target here at the daily at around about 69. Already up around. See already just up over 100 pips already on this trade since we placed it on Wednesday. It's been moving. Let's look at this lower time frames. Moving super nice, flowing nicely all the way up towards target. Yes, that's just a quick update in the trade. I'm really hoping some of you guys got in on the position, as I did send the video out really early, and you would be having some nice profits. Now if you did take the trade, let me know in the comments below, or simply send me an email to will@xaus.com. To access the powerful FXAS Master Price Pro indicator, simply click the link below. Very good indicator to have in your arsenal. Draws the price zones for us, gives us arrow signals. You can see we got the arrow signal here on the 4-hour chart down here, and ever since we got the signal, it's been moving. Yeah. Stopped a bit at this first easy target here. It's been flowing nicely up towards the daily. So early next week I expect it to hit our easy target, and I will monitor it also and look to see if, you can see last week it actually closed nearly back inside this zone here. So I'll monitor it closely next week, and this could turn into like a huge trade, as I said in the last video, maybe up towards this 73 area here. But great trade so far, 100 pips in the money. If you got this trade on Wednesday, you could enter the market. You should be around 80 pips to the good. Again, let me know to access the indicator. Again, just simply click the link below. Any questions, get into contact with me at will@xaus.com. Okay, so have a great weekend there, guys, and I'll see you next week with more updates and more videos.